Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff. I don't know what we got here. I don't know if we got stuff in here or not. That's really tore up Nerf gun. I know I normally love Nerf guns, but Bear had a wonderful weekend, but this is our amazing first stop. Looks like we might have been picked through a bit here already. No metals left in there. This might be the only thing, this one thing's got a cord to it. And a katana. We got some stuff. Whoa. We got some stuffs in the back from the house. We're just going to get rid of. We're going to add that little. Too strong this morning. Man, that's not much at all, is it? It's really the cord. We're going to get after today and hopefully stuff her. Money's been good to us. Hopefully that doesn't change. Still on the grills. Oosh. Grills are like our new Christmas trees. They're just every place. They're our July Christmas trees, what they are. Onward. More. This is like a bowling thing, right? Looks like one of those things in the wrong spot. What is that? Anybody? Looks like one of those bowling assists, but it's not. It's definitely something else. This is an IKEA thingamabobber. It goes to all their big beds and stuff. A printer. And of course, a chair. We love chairs. What do we have here? What are you, my friend? You look like a fan. This is a fan, folks. We've seen so many empty fan boxes today, but this is a stand fan. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So take a moment and mash that like button while you have a moment, because that's what we do when we find fans. Hashtag fan of a fan. From down the other spot, this is, I don't know, 3-4 houses up. Big old file cabinet. Get around that one. Get around that one. Put you there for now. I know, it's kind of flat, but that's good, so it doesn't slide around. I guess it might be fan day. We've seen so many fan boxes. Now we're actually starting to find the actual fans. Whoa. This, I believe, was an outdoor one. This one's pretty heavy. Partially taken apart. See if there's anything else in the other box. Nothing there. You're empty too. That must be the new fan. All right, guys. One fan it is. Onward. Yep, you know it. Another fan. Maybe we're gonna get just fans today. That would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Uh-oh. Raining metals. What'd we lose? Zwink. Non-ferrous even. When I first saw this, I was hoping for metal fence. I was like, wow. Not, it's plastic. But there's a little shelving here. So we'll grab our shelves. There's a Wiedecker up there too, so Little bits. Little bits. I get some wire here too. A little bit. Nothing to write home about. It's a beautiful day. I don't know that we're gonna have any rain today, which is pretty awesome. We didn't have much rain this weekend either. Onward. Plastic for a minute, it's a shredder. Come on, Mr. Shredder, you're coming with me. Oh, you're not gonna come apart either, are you? A little stinkwad. You can go right. Maybe not. Right there it is. Another chair. Do we got anything else though? I don't think so. It smells pretty mothballish around here. Right there, Bryce. Oosh. Oh, guys, doesn't look amazing, but we gotta take a look. Looks really, really, really movie boxy. Oh, there's a bunch of flies over here too. That's not good. That means it's foody as well. Gross. Gross. Yeah, we're not digging. We're not digging through the flies, guys. Nasty. Oh, is that a metal piece of metal? Yeah, there's a couple pieces of metal over here on the side for us. We'll take you guys. Oh my gosh, there's wires there too. Dang it. Now we gotta dig. Wires always make you dig. At $1 a pound. Yeah, we're digging. We're just gonna dump. I think we're gonna take and dump. What do you think, guys? We'll just take and dump. Go right here. Don't know what you'll hang us. With the paper, or that. All right. Oh, it makes me so want to look through here again, but we're not doing it. We're happy with our wires. Let's roll. Canos. Yeah. It's early Monday morning singing. Oosh. Hey, microwave. Finding an interesting mix of all kinds of stuff today. Look at this big old box of pans. No paper or foam needed. Yeah, those aren't very great pans. Ooh, that bottom one's got something in it. What you got in you? What? Ooh, it's a football thing for Cheez-Its. Some noisy birds. I don't know what you guys think. Anybody want a Cheez-It display? Kind of fun though, right? What are you gonna do with a Cheez-It display, Matt? I don't know. So 1, 2. So there's 2 displays here. Yeah, we're not doing that. I don't know. What are you gonna do with a Cheez-It display, Matt? I don't know. You guys tell me what I should do with that. Onward. Almost a duet. Hey, microwave. Oh gosh, so heavy. Slowly but surely filling her up. Morning.
What happened to the Suburban?
Suburban died. Yeah, the transmission went on it.
There's a guy down the road. It's called quality, I think.
Yeah.
Transmission.
Yeah, I had it looked around. They wanted about $6 grand to fix it.
I don't know.
I was like, a new car sounds better. Yeah. So I passed on that one.
You check on the like the salvage place?
Yeah, actually the
That's a big transmission.
yeah, the place that I drop at, they had he has a transmission. It was the wrong year though. It was off by 1 year. He was gonna sell it to me for $700. But yeah, I just decided to be done with it and move on. Unfortunately, it was a nice. I love the truck, but when it's not running on a regular basis, that's not good. So.
Sometimes it's the remember maintenance, even that one.
Oh, I know.
Time to time, pull that crank out.
All of them, man. Yeah, all the cars are not made like they are used to.
Pull the crank out and
Yeah.
put a new filter. There's a filter there.
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna see the metal.
Yeah.
There's a lot of metal shaving.
Hey, you have a great day. Yeah, unfortunately. Have a great one, man. Got ourselves another dog crate. Oh, for those of you that are wondering, that guy that I was talking to, he, this is probably a blow up. Where's the fan for you? After you've been running the same route for about 3 years, you start to know a lot of the people, and he was a gentleman that when I first started, he's like, oh, you should take that Suburban and be an Uber. You could make so much more money. I'm like, yeah, there's tons of ways to make money. You just have to enjoy what you're doing, and driving people around doesn't sound like a lot of fun to me. But he's giving me some scrap and this and that, so he was asking what happened to the Suburban. For those of you that are new to the channel, the Suburban's gone. Suburban's what I started with, but the transmission started giving me all kinds of havoc as well as other issues, and it was just gonna be too expensive to fix. So we cut bait and started afresh. I think these are boxes, or are they gonna have some gold in them? Let's take a gander. Let's take a gander. I don't think it looks very yummy. We're gonna take a quick peek though. Quick peek. There's a little bit of metals in here. No. Boxes. This one's got some wares in it. These are probably Boyd's bears, right? Dang you, Boyd's bears. My wife used to collect those, and we have just tons of these. These things really aren't worth that much, but I'm gonna take them because that's a Christmas style one. We'll take them for my thrift lady, but they're not as good. I mean, so many people collect collectibles thinking they're gonna be worth something. I belong to an online auction site too that I find stuff that I can sell on, and so many people have collectibles like bears and Hummels and all that kind of stuff. Some of the stuff does okay, but for the most part, it's just hoarding plush in this case. What does that say? So I would not be a little bear. Lady knitted him a sweater. That's funny. Stay. Good bear. Let's go. Not quite a refrigerator, but hey, maybe it'll be stainless. It doesn't look like the right color. Oh, it's just a mini fridge cover, I think. I am. Yeah.
Do you have a minute to give you like a big old drill?
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah.
You see my husband won't help me out.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Oh, there's more on the bottom of this, I think. Oh, it's not. It's just plastic. Come on. No, it's plastic. You guys gonna be brasses? Brasses. Might have to spin around. That's brasses. More aluminum. Hopefully it's brass. All right. Hopefully I'll come back with a grill. All right, guys, she made it out. She had a grill. Her husband brought it out with her. Storage, and then we got some more wires and such here. That's actually a fan. A camping fan. Man, they had some rain over here last night, that's for sure. We must have had the rain, we didn't. Oh, American flag. That's not where you belong. You go here. I know these aren't like true. These are decorative American flags, but still, the mermaid is in. Is this? Oh, nope. Nope. All right, everything in here, I think just about everything in here is gonna go. I started going through that wires while I was waiting for her to bring the stuff out. A lot of that first wire stuff we did was coax, unfortunately. Not all of it. Ooh, my neighbor went to LSU. We'll give him that. He could hang that at his house. He's a huge fan. Huge fan. There, more wires. Yo, plastic. Look at that little charging station. That's kind of fun. It's like a little hub. For what? Is that for like, what's it called? There's a hand in here. Whose hand is that? That had a spoon. Oh, I see a little thingamabobber. What do you got in you? Oh, you don't have anything in you. It's kind of a nice little camera bag though, huh? It's got at least a memory card in there. Okay, you guys come. We'll put you back here for now. All right, we'll check one more box. I think there's gonna be plants and such though. Ew. Here's a skeleton though. A nurse of skeletons. That's funny. Oh, you guys are all garbage. All right, there's nothing in there but a nurse elephant. Look at that, or an elephant skeleton. They actually dressed them themselves. I don't think that that's the way it came. That is funny. Put you in there. That's weird. Onward. Just across the street's a couple pots and pans. You love us some pots and pans. Thank you. The ceiling fans are popular today. Ourselves a pressure washer and maybe a printer. Come on, printer, be in there. You'll be gas powered, that's nice. You in here? Oh, you in here. This one looks brand new. Actually not, maybe not. You guys come out. Come on. Not a million pieces, guys, come on. Come on out of here. There we go. Ooh, that was not a good toss. Alright, you guys all go back in there. Ooh, those were wires. Right? Yeah, I want the wires. Give me the wire. Give me the wire. We gotta fix this guy over here. Here we go. Onward. Got a couple more bits here. Oh, we got the tools in here. Oh, they are. Both of yous, I think. We got. Oh, please be in there. That's. Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. What do we got here? That might work. You guys are coming out front. What's that?
You're late today.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to be putting out a lot of metal stuff.
Okay.
Metal in the next few weeks because I'm moving.
Okay.
I'm going to be putting out 4 big file cabinets.
Okay.
Empty.
All right.
Steel.
Okay.
Black.
I'll leave you my card.
Okay.
I live just.
Can I just, you know,
You can tell me what day you want me to come pick them.
Next to the garage.
Yeah, and I'll come pick them up. I live close enough that I can come over really any day.
Just a real juicy one today.
I know.
It's my two, you know, the things you drive a truck up onto when
Oh.
you're working underneath.
Yeah.
The guy that was here practically at dawn got those.
There's a guy that comes at
That old fabric off.
That's
there.
fine,
It's
that's
easy
fine.
enough to do.
There's a guy that comes at early in the morning. There's a guy that comes on Sunday night. So there's all of us. Let me grab you my car real quick before I forget. Yeah. I'm a little easier to catch because I'm in the daytime. So,
Right,
but yeah,
right.
feel free to give me just shoot me a text and let me know when you're ready.
Up next to the garage,
Yeah, I'll just come pick it up.
back here. If you can back it without hitting my truck.
Yeah, I can do that. I think I can do that.
I don't know about the state of that old thing. I don't think it's supposed to.
Yeah, they take it though because it's got a motor in it and got other metals. So,
Oh, whatever.
yeah, as long as they take it, I bring it.
Matt, my name's Margie.
Okay, Margie. I appreciate you. You have a wonderful day.
Yep, I'm just moving around the corner.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I'm going to be with my girlfriend
Okay.
for about 4 to 6 months. We'll be ready to kill each other. Then I'll get an apartment.
I know how that goes. Especially if you're used to living by yourself.
Yeah, well, so my mechanism is, and it cuts like,
This one's a little on the awkward side. There we go.
that looks like about everything that's there.
Yeah, rest of that's foam and plastic, so.
I think they'll take it on the truck.
Oh, they definitely will. They definitely will. So, I know the guys, so a lot of times they'll leave metals behind us for us.
Disassemble a desk, which is partially plastic, but a lot of metal in it.
Okay.
So I can't guarantee that one, but I would
Okay.
put them right up by the garage, and I would probably throw a quilt over them,
Okay.
so everyone would know that they're not there for just
Right.
anyone to take.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
I appreciate you. You have a wonderful day. Thanks again.
I may still have to hire one of those little dumpsters that we can get rid of. I don't know whether I can store cleaning products. I've got some off-premises storage. If I put them in plastic boxes.
Cleaning products aren't too bad as long as it's not like super toxic. Paint and oil are the two things that they're kind of picky about.
Well, actually, I stopped by the dump tomorrow and find
Uh-huh.
out how much calcite paint I'm allowed to dispose of.
Okay.
I only have like 2 or 3 oil paints in the whole.
Right.
You know, everything nowadays is like calcite.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not great quality.
Right.
Well, have a good one.
All right, thank you.
Oh, by the way, today's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. My birthday's on Wednesday. And my sister's birthday is on Friday. My sister's. Well, happy birthday. Got ourselves an umbrella. She's gonna be steel though. That's okay. Running out of room here. Bunch of awkward stuff in here. Might be time to add some straps. I think this one might top us off. Maybe, maybe. These pots and pans? No. Maybe not as much. We got a cycle and a dishwasher. The problem is they're both kind of chunky. Let's do the dishwasher first, I think. Since y'all not very heavy, bring you over yonder. Open the back, hoping we're gonna find some picking stuff here, but not the case. Come on, wheels. This is super awkward. This way? Yeah, there we go. What is going on? Whoa. Has to grab onto the edge there. Or not. Guess we'll use a tire. A tire for leverage. my dishwasher. Here we go. There we go. All right. Put this back up, add a strap. Whoo! All right, let's roll. Alrighty guys, we've made it to the yard. Dave's got this place. Look at this. There's not a drip of water in here. I told you it was dry this weekend. Oh, these guys are gonna make it hard to get these off. Let's just do a push and then we'll work on it. Let's not get caught up behind that arm. Oh, you know what we forgot? Oosh! Clippers. You gotta get the motors off of this dishwasher too. Let's bring you over here so you don't forget. Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoosh. We already had to stand this one up. Pretty sure this is going to be steel, but we're going to check these things just to be safe. Yes. Take a look at you and see if you're not beat up. They're making all kind of cubes here right now. This yard is so empty right now. They made cubes out of all the heavy steel over there. All of that's gone. They got heavy metal over there that they've been cubing up. They've been getting rid of a lot of material. It's a pretty nice ladder. We might keep that. Total trolley. I might keep that too. I'm not sure what that is. Looks nice there, right? Come on, stop moving on me. Total Charlie, I want to look at you a little better. Oh yeah! I don't know what the gig with that one is. That might come off still. I might get that motor off of there. Looks like I'm only missing 2 bolts and it comes off. See, this is all coax here. This white one will be regular wire though. Might have to sort this out afterwards if it's depending on how tangled it is. Oh. You come over yonder. Uh-oh, we're missing the back of that remote. That looks like a Wii controller, a Wii power supply there. That's a heavy duty cable right there. It'll have brasses in it. Ooh, a pocket juicer. I wonder if that works. That's a fancy remote right there. I don't know. I might have to look that up. Sweaters, bars. I don't know. I think those are security system things. Whew. I didn't think it was stainless. Oh, he's broken. It's like, that's a nice looking chair. No. Not. What is going on? I like built this around the handle. Kind of looks aluminum. I brought this from the house. I don't think it is though. Where did I put my magnet? Yeah, now you'll steel. Come over there. You get out. You get out. No! Get back here, brasses. All right, guys, fan. Nothing. We're keeping that. IKEA, you can go. All right, we'll do this. We got some breaking down to do. We'll catch you guys over at Jeffrey's. Whew. That squirrel cage can go too. Then we're done. All right, guys, let's get out of yonder. See you over at Jeffrey's. Let's do some NFJ. I thought for sure he was gonna leave me today. Oh, pleasantly surprised that he's still here. Oh. Woo.
Yeah, Joe. Is that one that you bought?
No, new one I got. They sent it to me last week. Oh.
What a crazy weekend, huh?
I tell ya.
That's insane. I was debating on whether I should speak about it. Because, people don't like that stuff.
I don't talk about that stuff.
It's like the elephant in the room. Not the country. It's the world. You know?
Oh. Some of that's clean, most of it's dirty though. Most of the handles did not want to come off.
No, unless you have a sawzall or something. Or a grinder.
Motors.
Is that going or staying?
Motors. Ah, look at that big old battery.
I need both hands to carry it.
What is all this rusty stuff, dude?
From the dump. From behind us, from the people.
Oh, the squatters?
Yeah, they're making 8 to 10 grand a month off of non-ferrous, not counting all the steel that they find.
Just out in the random field out there?
Well, they have a plant there like a screener.
Oh, okay. I'm not done yet, bro. I ain't done yet. Is this gonna go as motor or is this go over here, Bubba? Here? Clean, clean, clean. Dirty brasses. I missed a couple of fans, guys. I need to get a jet before lunch. Oosh. Heavy, heavy. Ready? Ooh.
Are they all John Wayne jokes?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I guess we are.
Why didn't the cowboy want to hear any more cow jokes?
It's gonna be something about mooing.
No, he heard
Oh.
them all before.
Why was their nose feeling sad?
He was running?
Oh, it was tired of being picked on.
Tired of being picked on. How did the leopard change spots?
Got scared.
No, he moved.
I don't know about that.
Did you hear about the model who loved to use a taser?
No.
Yeah, she was a real stunner.
Oh yeah. How did the farmer fix his jeans?
Jeans. I don't know.
Cabbage Patch.
With a cabbage patch.
What did the sock say to the foot?
Sock say to the foot. Something about a hole.
Shoe!
Shoe. Alrighty guys, we're weighed and paid. Man, it's getting hot out fast today. Whew. I don't know if it's gonna rain this afternoon or not. It hadn't really started to cloud up too much yet, but it normally does. But it's been pretty dry the last couple of days. So I'm liking the yard being dried up. It's much nicer to be in. But let's get after our receipt and see how we did for the day. 1,440 pounds. Nice solid day. 7 cents a pound for 180 cents. That's a weird way to say that, huh? Irony Light was our 90% dirty aluminum, $10 or $10. 10 pounds, 33 cents a pound for 330. Irony Heavy was the motor. I don't know if there's anything else. That motor's 50 pounds, 25 cents a pound for $12.50. A quarter battery for $1.25. Electric motor were, I still got some fans in the back. It got too close to lunch and got too hot, so I only got I think 2 fans done and the dishwasher motors. Everything else is gonna have to wait. Unclean brass, it was 8 pounds, 26 cents a pound for 208. Unclean brass, that lamp was 5 pounds, $1.10 a pound for $5.50. Nice lamp, dude. And then clean aluminum were some of the pans that they weren't riveted on, they were screwed on. So I took those off, and 6 pounds, 45 cents a pound for $2.70 for a grand total today of $128.13. Not bad, not bad. Not crazy, but we hit our mark both ways, and that's all we really can ask for, right? So we're gonna get back. I've got an early morning tomorrow, taking the kiddos. My kiddos are going out with grandma to see their uncle and their cousins up in Virginia for a long weekend. So we're taking them to the airport tomorrow. So we've got a free week, kidless week, and that's pretty exciting. It'll be, not that I don't love the kids, but man, to have peace and quiet for more than a day in a row, pretty amazing. So we've got that going this week, but I'm not sure what time I'm going to start tomorrow because I got to take them to the airport, and then we'll start shortly thereafter. So thanks for watching today. Make sure to smash that thumbs up if you've not done so already. I know we had a boatload of fans, so I'm sure you've already done it, but if you didn't, please consider it. It helps me out quite a bit. And it's Nacho Stuff. But that doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy. Catch you guys then.